Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CNY Account Forex Brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2009, serving millions of clients across more than 190 countries. The broker has built a strong reputation for fast trade execution, competitive trading conditions, and comprehensive multilingual customer support. With a focus on accessibility and innovation, XM caters to traders of all experience levels while offering a wide range of trading services and educational resources. The broker offers a comprehensive selection of trading instruments across a wide variety of global financial markets. Traders can access more than 1,400 instruments, including Forex currency pairs, stocks, stock indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, cryptocurrencies, and thematic indices. This extensive product offering makes it easy to diversify a portfolio, explore different trading opportunities, and respond to changing market conditions, whether focusing on traditional asset classes or emerging markets. The broker supports a range of powerful trading platforms designed to suit every trading style and device. Traders can choose between MetaTrader 4 and 5, both available on desktop, web, and mobile for seamless trading on the go. The broker also offers the XM trading application, allowing users to manage their accounts, access markets, execute trades, and monitor their portfolios from a single mobile application. With advanced charting tools, customizable indicators, one-click trading, and cross-device synchronization, XM's platforms deliver a fast, reliable, and feature-rich trading experience for beginners and experienced traders alike. XM offers a selection of trading account types designed to accommodate different trading styles and levels. The standard account provides flexible trade sizes with no commissions, while the micro account allows traders to trade smaller contract sizes, making it well suited to beginners and those looking to manage risk more precisely. For traders seeking tighter spreads, the XM Ultra Low account offers lower trading costs on a wide range of instruments. Investors looking to trade individual shares can choose the Shares account, while beginners and experienced traders alike can practice using a risk-free demo account. The broker also offers swap-free account options on eligible account types, allowing traders to hold positions overnight without incurring swap or rollover charges. Additionally, the broker provides a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders build their knowledge and improve their skills. The broker offers live webinars in multiple languages, in-depth video tutorials, trading guides, platform tutorials, and a regularly updated market analysis section featuring technical and fundamental insights. Traders can also access daily market research, economic news, and educational articles, covering trading strategies, risk management, and market fundamentals. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your approach, XM's educational resources are designed to support continuous learning at every stage of the trading journey. At number 4 on our list is Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness Terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of forex trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, Blackbull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. Blackbull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, CTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, Blackbull Invest, and Blackbull CopyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. Blackbull Markets offers 3 primary account types: the ECN Standard Account, the Prime Account, as well as their Institutional Account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, Blackbull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, Blackbull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CNY Account Forex Brokers, we have Pepperstone. Founded in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia, Pepperstone is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker serving traders in more than 150 countries. The broker has earned a strong reputation for its tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and reliable trading environment, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced traders. The broker is also widely recognized for its commitment to transparency, innovation, and award-winning customer service, helping establish its portion as one of the leading online brokers in the industry. Pepperstone provides access to more than 1,400 CFD instruments across a wide range of global markets. Traders can choose from over 90 Forex currency pairs, major global indices, commodities including precious metals and energy products, more than 1,100 share CFDs from leading international companies, over 90 ETF CFDs, and a selection of popular cryptocurrency CFDs. This diverse market offering allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple asset classes from a single trading account. Pepperstone supports a wide range of industry-leading trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, TradingView, and its own proprietary Pepperstone trading platform. These platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, offering advanced charting tools, one-click trading, automated trading capabilities, custom indicators, and copy trading features. With multiple platform choices, Pepperstone caters to beginners, algorithmic traders, and experienced professionals looking for a flexible trading experience. The broker offers 2 live trading account types designed to suit different trading styles. This includes the standard account, which features spread-only pricing with no additional commission, making it a straightforward option for everyday traders, and the Razor account, which provides ultra-tight spreads with a fast commission per trade, making it a popular choice for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Pepperstone also offers a risk-free demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and explore the broker's platforms before trading with real funds. Additionally, the broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders develop their knowledge and skills. Their learning hub features beginner-friendly guides, in-depth trading articles, platform tutorials, webinars, and educational videos covering Forex, CFDs, risk management, and trading strategies. Traders also gain access to market insights, trading guides, and regular insights from industry experts, making it easier to stay informed and improve their trading confidence at every experience level. And those are some of the top 5 best CNY Account Forex Brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.